This is not a studio, not yet, but in a few days it will be the beating heart of everything I'm about to create. I'm starting from scratch, no fancy budget, no dream space, just an idea, some gear, and a lot of stubbornness. Welcome to the start of something I've been planning for a long time. Every channel has a beginning, but mine started in a mess. Blank space, no lights, no set, big mountain full of dust, and just an idea. This is where it all starts. A place where stories will be told, debates will be sparked, and ideas will come to life. Before the videos and before the subscribers, you have to build the world you'll speak for. Welcome to the birth of my studio. I spent over a decade behind the camera, telling other people's stories. Films, music videos, advertising. I've lived in the world of visual storytelling my whole life. But this channel, Andrew Uncut, is more than just a lens and the camera. It's about honesty, about exploring filmmaking, creativity, and the world and culture outside, without filters and without cuts. So I decided to build this studio, not just a space for lights and cameras, but a place where ideas can live, where challenges, conversations, and raw creativity can come to life. It's not fancy and it's not perfect, but it's real. And that's what I want this channel to be, a space for real stories, real debates, and the kind of filmmaking that pushes the limits. The set is ready, the camera's rolling, and the story begins now.